There's a couple different teeth whitening options. Probably the quickest thing, and again, we try to be conservative with patients. We're not gonna upsell somebody on something that they didn't come for initially, because we wouldn't want to have that done ourselves anyway too. But probably the simplest thing is somebody say, hey, I'd like to get my teeth whiter. We'll talk to them about different options. One option would be whitening strips. It's just these little like plasticky type strips that you can put on your teeth, and if you follow the directions on those, it works. Things you kind of have to keep your lips up off of them, otherwise it can move them off your lips. It does work. Probably the best thing that works is actual bleaching trays. And what that is, we take impressions of the jaw, or of the teeth, and we fabricate a custom-made bleaching tray on that model. And so when you put the bleaching solution in it, and then you put it into place, and you just leave it in for like 20 minutes. And that works really well, because you can talk with those things in, and what we usually tell patients, hey, listen, if you're commuting to work, put that thing in for 20 minutes and do that a couple on the way to work, come back. That works well. We do have an in-office whitening system too, where the patient comes in, they're here for maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours. If somebody, say, needs it done like now, that's the way to do it. Whereas when you go back to bleaching tray, if you got the time, in about a week or 2 weeks, you're going to get your teeth as light as you want them during that time. And plus, you've got those trays. You can use them in every 3 months or so. You can throw them in for 20 minutes, and you're going to bounce it back to the shade you want. With the in-house whitening, the patient's gonna be in a chair. We isolate the teeth, and we put a solution on. We put this, intense light on their teeth that activates the bleaching solution, and that's how that works. So if somebody comes in, hey, listen, I got a wedding to go to this weekend. I need it now. That's a good solution. But the drawback to that is, there's a lot more sensitivity associated with that, and it's harder to control that. Whereas with bleaching trays, you get a little sensitive, you just back off a little bit.